Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and this is Holden's versus Fords. Now, Macy, can Holden push through in Heat 2 and take another win?
Well, for Team Ford, the game plan is very simple. Start well and keep your car straight. If they can do that today, they stand a really good chance of taking home some points. But if they can't, it might be more Holden dominance. For the Holden fans, they just want more of the same. 4 wins last week. Let's see how many they can accumulate today.
Well, Ford do have a very strong team, and you never know what can happen here on Mount Western Raceway.
Driver number 1 for Holden today is Baron Joseph. He's driving the number 2 Holden Commodore. Driver number 2 for Holden is Big Daddy Addy. He's driving the number 12 SS Commodore.
Driving first up for Team Ford in the 25 Fujitsu is Wolf Moons. Right alongside of him for Team Ford is Steve-O Aussie in the 65 Better Electrical Ford.
The cars are ready to go. Drivers are strapped in and the national anthems have been sung. That leaves one thing to do. Let's cross over to Hot Car Track. He's going to tell us all about the point system for Heat 2 of Holden versus Ford right here at Mount Western Raceway.
Thanks, Macy. It's 4, 3, 2 and 1 for placings and a big fat 0 if you get a DNF. Let's get this program underway. Well, there you go. Heat 2 done and dusted. And this 4-lane track really does throw up some random results. Baron Joseph driving for Holden in the number 2. This is the end of the line for you. And also Wolf Moons driving the 25 Fujitsu Ford. This is the end of the line for you. Thank you guys for participating in this Holden versus Ford competition. We might see you back on the track in 2022.
Finally, Ford fans with something to smile about. Steve-O Aussie in that 65 Better Electrical Falcon comes away with 2 wins and 13 points. He moves on through to the next round with Big Daddy Addy in the number 12 SS Commodore. Well done, boys. See you next time on the track.
The fastest time tonight is a 13.320, and it was driven by Wolf Moons for Team Ford in the 25 Fujitsu.
Let's have a look at the leaderboard after 2 rounds of qualifying heats. Ford have come from nowhere and now sit on 41 points. Holden just lagging behind. They're on 38.
Let's go to the replay here, and you can see Wolf Moons right out front into turn 1. Hits that chicane and off he goes, rolls over. But look at Big Daddy Addy taking the lead into turn 3. He's going to cross with no one behind him. Look at that sensational run.
How good was this? 3 cars across the track, neck and neck, fighting it out for the victory. Not quite sure what Baron Joseph's doing. Being up on the rail isn't where you want to be on this track.
Yeah, that's right, mate. Riding that rail will just end in disaster.
And it was Team Ford all the way in this one. Holden tried to reel them back in, but they couldn't do it. And another 4 points on the board there for Steve-O Aussie in that Better Electrical Falcon.
Well, that's a wrap right here on Holden versus Ford. Thanks again for watching. Once again, a big thank you to our sponsor, Crabstar. Also for Macy, our co-host in this fantastic competition. And our mechanic engineer on duty is Mark D from Cut Rock Racing. Until next time, catch you later.